I'm here with Over the Mountain Drones. I'm getting ready to fly the DJI Avata for the very first time. It is also going to be my first time flying an FPV drone. I'm going to be flying it with the motion controller today. Get started. Gotta make sure it's lined up right for my eyes. Okay. Am I far from it?
You're about a meter.
Is this the orange?
Yes. There you go. Woo!
Is it going?
Yeah, it went forward. Hi, I'm Whiskey with Over the Mountain Drones, and Caroline's going to show me some cool things about this new drone and headset we've got.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is see these down here. You're going to need to adjust them for how far apart your eyes are. It'll kind of be intuitive. It's just like when you're getting the clearest picture, basically. Okay. And if you need to adjust the size of the headband, this is like the construction hats and to tighten and loosen. This is the record. You need to go up or down extra. I think you can use that. And backward. I think that's supposed to do backwards, but then it seemed to go down. So I gotta see how to go backwards, because that was like something that they... Wait, is there a different...
Yeah,
you can test that out for me and tell me if that's what it does.
yeah, I think it is.
Okay. Let me see your hand, your wrist movement. Yeah. And just point the dot where you want it to go, and that should be. But just be careful going too fast, because it will squeezing it too much, because it will dart off.
Oh my god.
There you go. Ready?
I feel like I'm in the future.
Yeah.
This is trippy.
So cute. The head tracking mode isn't on. I don't know if that would make it more or less disoriented. Yeah, look at that beautiful turn. Ah!
This is crazy.
Yeah.
Does this go backwards?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, if you pull the trigger, it
That
goes
makes
backwards.
sense.
Yeah. It's turning to the left. That's hard for me to get used to.
The noise is the worst thing about it.
I already feel better at it.
Yeah. I mean, it's pretty amazing. We could like circle around that tree and do some of the stuff we've done.
Yay!
Oh man, I thought I was videoing it going down.
You weren't? You never video anything you're videoing.
Did I have a big thing? How did your nose feel in it? Squish? Really? Because that was nice bigger than mine. And that's one thing I've read about this, although this pair of goggles is maybe a little better. But I felt it squishing my nose. And
Yeah, I mean, I felt a little pressure. Ooh, I definitely couldn't do that for much longer, though. I feel
yeah, it's like you gotta take some breaks for sure.
come back to earth.
Yeah, but like I was feeling like that too, but I'm already feeling better.
Yeah, I'm sure I'll feel better in just a couple of minutes.
But pretty cool though, right? I think
Yeah.
we'll be able to do some cool stuff with it.
For sure.
With biking and stuff too, this will be so much better.
I'm amazed. I love it.
Yeah,
I wish
like-
I didn't feel weird, but
It's just gonna take some getting used to it. It's just part of it too.
yeah. Hold it down.
Oh, there you go.
I think I jumped too.
Wait, I wish that like the shutter button was a little bit higher.
Yeah, it is a little awkward. Yeah, that looked cool.
Really?
Yeah, you just did like a, you know, like when people ski and then at the end.
I hit a branch, but it's fine. I went through between the crate, the dog kennel, and the...
Oh, good for you. I was kind of scared about
I
that.
was scared too, but then I hit a branch, but hopefully it's fine. Good, it can stop very quickly.
Yes.
This is so crazy. Oh shit. Just check the wires together. Oh. Bite me.
Alright.
Feel good?
Yep. Woo! You good though? I can't believe you're gonna fit through there. That's fucking crazy.
Yeah.
It's okay, Ollie. It's Caroline. He didn't like the goggles on.
See, I give a fuck, huh? Oh.
Oh, he just saw it. He's like, no, don't like it. He just ran away. Hey, Ollie, Ollie. Boy, Zig. Hey, hey, don't cry. Hey. Hi, Ollie. I love you too. Okay. It can go pretty fast. It's crazy. It's not even on sport mode and
Manual's the fastest. It can go like over 60.
what? It can stop pretty fast too.
Is that like the info controller?
Yeah. It's kind of like a Wiimote, you know. It's pretty.
It's cool. You just point the dot wherever you want it to go, and it
Oh, really?
does it.
Yeah. Makes it pretty easy. There you go. You're good. But it's cool.
It's really fun. Wow. Yeah, I can't believe the stuff we were already able to do so quickly. Yeah, this is the other remote.
Looks like an Xbox remote. When you use them, it's just like you're with the drone. It's crazy.
We just went through our 3 batteries, and boy, do we have fun. We loved it.
Go potty.
Oh,
Is she going there?
No, she's just
Go.